Thanks, Carl. Well, largely dry tonight with a mix of cloud and clear spells, but there is a little patchy rain and drizzle about, and that's mainly over Ulster. Lows tonight at -1 to +4 degrees, coldest in the south and southeast where there will be some frost forming, and some mist will develop too in mostly light winds. And that's going to lead into a dry start for most tomorrow, but rain and drizzle will push into the west and northwest in the morning, and that's going to gradually spread eastwards, but it'll become patchier as it does so many eastern areas will hold dry. Highs of 7 to 11 degrees tomorrow. And now on to your sea area forecast. So there is a small craft warning in operation. And the meteorological situation at 9 p.m, an anticyclone of 1,027 hectopascals centred south of Mizen Head maintains a moderate to fresh southwest or variable airflow over Ireland. Now the forecast from Valencia to Erris Head to Fairhead. Winds southwest force 4 or 5, increasing force 5 or 6 imminent, and later decreasing force 3 or 4 in gusty. The forecast from Fairhead to Howth Head to Carnsore Point and for the Irish Sea. Winds southwest force 3 or 4 imminent, later increasing force 4 or 5. And the forecast from Carnsore Point to Roches Point to Valencia. Winds westerly or variable force 2 or 3, soon increasing southwest force 3 or 4, and later increasing force 4 or 5. Now the weather for all Irish Sea areas and for the Irish Sea, mainly fair with patchy rain, drizzle and mist in the west and north. Rain spreading from the west soon. And the visibility for all Irish Sea areas and for the Irish Sea, mainly good, decreasing moderate or poor in mist and precipitation. Now the outlook for a further 24 hours. Moderate to fresh southwest winds, increasing strong to near gale force on Tuesday morning and further increasing near gale force to gale force on Tuesday afternoon. And the weather, patchy rain and drizzle on Monday night. Persistent and at times heavy rain will spread from the west through Tuesday. Now for your coastal reports at 11 p.m. Malin Head, southwest, 13 knots, cloudy, 9 miles, 1,023, falling slowly. Boy M5, west to northwest, 3 knots, the visibility at Tusker Lighthouse is greater than 10 miles, 1,027, steady. Roches Point, north to northwest, 2 knots, fair, 9 miles, 1,027, steady. Valencia, south, 4 knots, cloudy, 16 miles, 1,027, steady. Belmullet, south to southwest, 11 knots, cloudy, 8 miles, 1,024, falling slowly. And finally, Dublin Airport, west to southwest, 5 knots, fair, 10 miles, 1,026, steady. So that's your latest forecast, and I'll be back at 6 a.m. with your next sea area forecast, but until then, have a lovely night.
Thanks very much for that, Aoife Keeley there.